Namaste. Welcome to Hosteller. This is one of the cool hostels located in the trendiest part of Delhi. And one thing about this part of the city is that's where everyone comes and party, the young cool people. It has all the nice pubs. It has a big shopping mall for shopaholics. And everything you can imagine, the street food, my favorite. I'm never going to lose weight sticking around here. But let's take a look at what this hostel has to offer. So come with me. This is a really popular hostel, so I wish I can show you their private rooms, but it's all for it. But their dorms are pretty decent. First of all, every single bed has their own living lights, their own outlets, and also very comfortable mattress. As well, everything's included, including the blankets and the sheets. You get this down here. And it's actually really big, so that means you can just throw in your entire suitcase. So, Delhi is a very bustling city and it's very busy and you can hear it. But at the same time, you should always make time for yourself to chill out. Just like my favorite place right here. So this is actually just one small part of the amenities, a reading room, and perfect for those of you who are bookworms and or need to catch up on your reading. On this side is where you can plug in your laptop, your iPad, and catch up on your work. And there is Wi-Fi as well. For those of you who want to kill some time or meet some new friends, this is a great lounge. It has very comfortable mattress. So this is another favorite area of mine in the hostel is the Rooftop Cafe. It's a great place for you to meet friends, especially over breakfast. Like I say, breakfast is included in the cost of your accommodations. On top of that, there's also Wi-Fi throughout the terrace. There's also game night, like I say, if you want to challenge others. As well, there's a movie night, and there's also free yoga. Can't ask for more.